How to turn on assistive touch in your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can turn on assistive touch in your iPhone. Now, before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Now let us begin. To turn on this assistive touch in your iPhone, the first step you'll need to take is head over to your settings. So after you open up your settings, if you scroll down, you should find the accessibility option. It's right below general. Tap on accessibility. Now after you're there, if you scroll down, you should find the touch option right on the physical and motor section. Tap on touch, and on the top you will find assistive touch. So simply head over there and you should see the assistive touch toggle button. Now normally it will be off. Now simply toggle this button on to get this assistive touch in your iPhone. And it's literally that simple guys, and that is basically all for the video too. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.